Includes questions for oral answer. On 16 November, when the House was considering the Children, Young Persons and Their Families Advocacy, Workforce and Age Setting Amendment Bill, the result of the votes on Jacinda Ardern's amendment to Clause 4 was incorrectly recorded as ayes 43, noes 75. The correct result is ayes 44, noes 75. The record will be corrected accordingly. I call on Government Order of the Day number 1.
Government Notice of Motion number 1 relating to the appointment of the Controller and Auditor-General.
Mr Speaker.
The Honourable Jerry Brownlee.
Mr Speaker, I move that pursuant to Section 7(2) and Clause 1 of Schedule 3 of the Public Audit Act 2001, the House recommend to the Governor-General that Martin Thomas Harold Matthews of Wellington be appointed as Controller and Auditor-General for a term not exceeding 7 years, commencing on the 1st of February 2017. Mr Speaker, the process for choosing a nominee for a position like this, which is an Officer of Parliament, is exhaustively undertaken under your chairmanship, sir, with the assistance of other parties' representatives to the Officers of Parliament Committee. I know that there were a number of applicants who would have met the bill, but the committee has decided to support Martin Matthews. My own experience of Martin Matthews is working alongside him for 3 years as the Minister of Transport when he was running the Transport Ministry. What I can assure the House is that he is a first-class public servant. His career in the public service started in the Audit Office, and I think the broad experience that he has had since his early days as an auditor through to being a Chief Executive of a very large government department will serve him well in the role of Auditor-General. Mr Speaker, we therefore unreservedly support his appointment.
The question is that the motion be agreed to.
Mr Speaker.
The Honourable Trevor Mallard.
Mr Speaker, first, before I speak directly to the motion, I want to place on record the thanks of the House to Lynn Provo for the work that she's done as Auditor-General